Hey everybody, welcome back. So this is the privacy lecture about a tool. The tool name is Utopia. I type here the tool name Utopia. Open the browser and search here. Only you need to search here Utopia and let's see what are the results in the new tab. Actually, Utopia is a place name like uh, so it's like a heaven or a paradise. The utopian word meaning is, but if you type here Utopia space P2P, it means point to point ecosystem. Then it show you this website Utopia P2P. Now open this website. I cannot show you everything about this tool for the copyright issue, so you can check this tool in your own system. But you need to download this for the Linux. I already downloaded. I cannot show you this website for the copyright issue, so that's why I already download this tool here Utopia. It's approximately 164 megabytes until now. Close the browser and go to your terminal. So my Utopia browser or tool is available in the download directory. CD downloads here, and here is the Utopia. Now you can see it is a Debian file actually. So how you can install this file? For this purpose, you need to type here. Firstly you need to give the root permission to this file. If I type ls-la, and here you can see this file have no permission to execute. Firstly type chmod +x Utopia and this file, and type ls-la. Here you can see now this file have a read, write and execute permission. Now you need to type here, because this is a Debian package, or it's a DEB Debian package, so that's why you need to type here dpkg add space and -i and then the file name Utopia latest this. Now press enter. It will be automatically unpack the file and then try to install this automatically in your system. That is the benefit of the Debian packages. And the file is installed. Simply click on the menu and search here Utopia, and here you can see it is available. Even you can launch it from here Utopia, but I suggest you in the start it is not available from the command mode, so I suggest you launch it with the graphical, because it cannot run in the root mode. Okay, search here Utopia and click on this tool. Alright, firstly it required your username and your password. So if you forget your password, then you can be in a trouble, because it is almost not recoverable. And even if you can log in your crypto wallet in the Utopia, so you need to secure your password, you need to remember your password and even the username. Alright, type here remember me. So my username is this one and my password is. Alright, so I enter my password. I try to sign in. Let's see what happened. So file does not exist. It means that if I forget my username and my password, then I cannot recover it. So you need to remember it very carefully. Let me check my username in my other machine where I logged in. Alright, so I guess that the S is also capital here. Shell and underscore violence. Now try to sign in. So again this file does not exist. Okay, so let's try to create a new account here. Create new account. next, and you need to choose your nickname here. Choose your nickname like Sharkman, and then enter your promo code. It is optional. Alright, so type your information. It is also optional, like first name, last name, but click on next. You need to create your password here. I want to save that password into a file. Alright, so paste your password here that you create, and your password must be strong. I recommend you that the password length should be minimum up to 15 keywords or 15 words, like 15 letters. Finish. Okay, here you can see it tried to decrypt everything about my account, everything about my Utopia software, and it is a multi-layer encryption. You can see, please wait while the Utopia is creating your new encrypted container. This process may take several minutes. And the most important thing about the Utopia, and that is, if you install this Utopia in your Linux or Windows machine, then try to keep safe your Windows or your Linux machine, and do not try to reinstall your that operating system, because you can see that I tried to log in my password, which is my previous Utopia account, but it is not accepted. So I need to create my new account. That's why I suggest you, please do not install into the next window or into the another operating system. Alright, my account setting is finished, and here is your public key. So I like to close this. Launch Utopia automatically and OS start. Click on next. Select the theme. I like to this classic dark theme. Click on next, and these are the features about the Utopia introduction. So okay, now the Utopia software is ready to use, and let me introduce the features of the Utopia. Firstly, click on file, and here you have some feature like UNS database, export and import them. Then wipe encrypted containers. So these are the advanced feature. When you click on this tool feature in the middle of the Utopia tools, then you find this one, web proxy. Click on this. It launched a new tab, and in that tab you can enter any website link that you want to open through the proxy, to be protected, to be anonymous completely. Let me show you this feature, like when you click on these dashboards, alright, so here are the features. When you click on email, here you have a mail option of the Utopia tool. You are completely safe here to send an email. Even you can send the email from the unknown sources, like your username is showed but nobody knows that who are you actually. And you have a chats option like Instagram and Telegram features. Then you have a channels like WhatsApp groups or Instagram, Telegram groups. You can join the groups and exchange your information with each other. And when you go on the last of this, in the top down corner, in the left down corner, you find here RX, TX, LC, FW and some more option about the networking. So these options show you your networking speed. Here it show you now. Until now I use the 6 megabyte data in my Utopia software downloaded and 10 megabytes uploaded. So click on the tools option and network dashboard. Here you can see the information about your network in a too much detail, like your transmitting packet speeds, receiving packets, your LC packets, and the other all packets like errors, enabled, TTX and TRX values, and your speed meter about your MS, your speed in MS. You have a UNS manager. So what is a UNS? You need to Google about this. Actually you hear about the DNS, like domain name system. So the same here, the alternative of the DNS is unified name system. It is actually a alternative of DNS which can only work in the Utopia software. So you can buy any domain that you want to buy, like enter your domain name here. I like to buy here. So click on next. It is available or not. So this name is available for registration. I want to buy this one. So expiration date never. Name registration fee 0. It is completely free. Now register new name and click on this register. And your this name is registered completely. Okay, now let's complete this lecture and let's talk about in short about the Utopia software. So click on tools option and you have a console, network dashboard. I show you network dashboard that it show you every information about your internet, like your receiving packets, your transmitting packets, and every information about your IP and your internet connection. And also you have a internet connection speed meter. You have a U-wallet option. So for opening this U-wallet, it can create it will be create a folder in your system and encrypt all the values, all the data which is used for the crypto wallet purpose only. And you can log in your crypto wallet in this U-wallet. You have a Utopia USD, U-voucher, and Cryptons, crypto card, request Cryptons, and V-voucher mining option also. Click on the tools. The next option is you have a channel manager, like you can create your own channel, same like the Instagram channels, groups, and the WhatsApp groups, and you can communicate with each other. Then you have a UNS manager. You can register your domain name here. Actually the DNS full form is domain name system. The alternative of DNS is UNS, like unified name system. You can create and you can buy your own domain names from here, which are completely free. But there is a problem, and that is these UNS can only work inside the Utopia softwares. They cannot work outside the Utopia. So I buy here irfanazmat.com, this one. So I already buy this one and its status is pending. It is applying for approved. You can host your website on this domain name, but the loophole is that, or the bad thing is that, it can only work inside the Utopia browser. Inside the Utopia browser they provide you a IDLL browser. So everything can work in this only IDLL browser that you buy from that you will host on the UNS of the Utopia. Here you can see the program loading page with the web proxy, because if your internet connection is slow, then the proxy cannot work. Click on tools and you have a who is option and you maps option. You can find anybody, but not the everything about the Utopia every user. Only it show you that where this Utopia user exists, but anonymously. Then you have IDYL browser and web proxy. So I suggest you, if you want to be anonymous or be safe completely, then you need to use the Utopia software web proxy. It can help you to be anonymous without any proxy, and it is completely graphical user interface. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys.